Jeff Satur. Satur? Am I saying it right? Like, okay, so like Saturday. Satur. Oh, like Saturday. Jeff Satur. This is called Ghost. I've been put onto this on Twitch before, and my whole chat was thirsting. Just drenched. Pause? I don't know. But like, they were thirsting. And by the way, speaking about thirst, I need to take a drink of water. They were thirsty. So we're gonna check this out right now. But if you're seeing this on YouTube, this is reacted to it on Twitch. I do Twitch a lot. Every Friday's K-pop and Chill Fridays, you know what I'm saying? And if you're not here, you're missing out. Alright, even though this is not K-pop, but I'm down to check out other things rather than K-pop as well. There is English captions. There is United States. They already know. Let's get into this. Ooh, okay, you riding that horse. Ghost. Oh, he working. Oh, he got them seeds. Oh, I think we're gonna get a little romantic right here. He a good looking kid. Oh man, sorry, I shouldn't say kid. Maybe he's younger than me, that's why. There's a horse in the house. Y'all trust the she's taking off the wedding ring? What's happening? Oh, you need to tell me you've wailed. Oh, they kinky with it. What's happening? What are they playing, hide and seek? Did you choose the horse over your wife? Oh, this is adorable, actually. This is cute. This is cute. What'd you say? I hope you find what you're looking for. I'll hide all the bliss from the past. I hope you're dead to me. Whoa. I like how it sounds so far. But it's just me trapped in time. Oh, he's beautiful. She's beautiful too, but him? Huh. Oh shit, the army. What's up with her? Don't you dare tell me she turns into the horse. I don't know what's happening. Why is the army involved with scientists? Does she transform? What's happening? Oh my god. What's happening? Oh, they're injecting him? Bro, what? Oh, he's called for service? What the hell? Is he a mutant? There's two of you? What the freak is happening? Ooh, you can belt that. he good looking. You see that? Look at that. Look, bro. People with eyebrows, bro. His eyebrows are on point. My God, bro. That would be my eyebrows if I kept it well like that. I'm just letting you know. Watch. If I got some, if I had like my eyebrows trimmed up, you better watch out. 10 more likes on my Instagram. Wait, so he was an experiment or something like that? And he let him free, right? Whoa, what the hell? She got rid of the old and in with the new. The new left her. That makes sense. It was such an interesting way of describing that though. In with the old, out with the new kind of thing. He was cloned. Ah, with the cloned horse. He does all his music producing, etc. too. Ooh. Well, I mean, on YouTube at least, would you guys want more reactions to Jeff Satur? Like Satur? Jeff, you're a beautiful person. You have a beautiful voice and your production is freaking high. I'm pretty sure you're talented at everything you do. Yeah, tell me in the comments and on YouTube if you want more reactions on YouTube to Jeff, because I'll be more than welcome. I seems like I have a lot that I missed, and I think I've seen like at least 2 that I have seen. Oh, it says it right here. Sometimes relationships are like a game of hide and seek, but this time, no matter how well you hide, I'll stop seeking, cause I know I will find just a ghost of you. Ooh, damn. Okay, what the hell? RTS man. All right. Anyways.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping a soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X, so that joint is old school.